Okay, so yesterday I traded ABML, took like a $3 loss. Yeah, was able to record yesterday. Um, pretty much it. Yeah, was able to record it. But today I'm going back to like risking like $2 every trade just to find consistency in that before I increase my risk. Following um, Bryce Tui, example of his going back to like lower his position size, lower his risk to like, $2 a share, $2 a trade. But yeah, and what else is there? There's $2 every trade. Um, um, I'm still focusing on the morning panic. So looking at that 8:30 Central Standard Time or 9:30 Eastern time zone. Yeah, looking at the morning panic. So that morning panic risking the low or risking a relevant low. But yeah, so here's my screen. So and what I'm doing is mainly watching Nasdaq for this one. Why? Because they're the most liquid, and others no commissions. Because if there's commissions, the $2 risk would be like 10%, greater than 10% of my, not 10%, greater than 1% of my accounts. And if I win or lose, the commissions will like eat me up. So yeah, but trading OTCs for a couple of week now, it, it made me like I would say a bit more disciplined, just to follow that just to focus on that pattern, seeing it work over and over and over. Even though it's on OTC, it's we can still see it like with Nasdaq because as you can see here, this went up like close to 100%. So I'm so I'm looking for the open. I want to see like this kind of this kind of move. So an important level is like in the 130s or in the mid 30s. My buying power is 2 so meaning to risk like two $2 a trade. Looking like it's consolidating, so that is something. ATIF is another one to watch. The group consulting media service. So it's planned to launch its first asset management business. Relocates its headquarters to California and launch new business model. So looking like that is making it positive reactions. Dang. Let me clear the charts. So for now, I'm mainly focusing on one. BNGO is one to watch, one of my main watch. Why? If because you look at the 10 day chart, it's been going up quite steady for like the pennies, less than $1, really, and now it's like in the $4. It is currently downtrending, that's for sure. But I'm looking forward to a panic. Question is, can it break out that trend? As you can see, it has been trading pennies, and the $7 is basically all-time high, really. So key levels, looking at key levels. So today's it looked like today's the first green day. First green. Not exactly first green day, but it looked like we might have a first green day today. So on BNGO after like a bunch of sell off here. I'm not sure what are the key levels in here are, but for sure, there. I want to see it move like this. This happened like it's a gap down. It's a it's fill it's a fill it's filling the gap. That's for sure. But BNGO has been running like quite a lot recently. The same with Chek. Chek is also on my main watch. It's also a gap down, but it's still going green. That is something. So I'm looking forward to a morning panic. That's basically it. Risking $2 every trade. Still not sure how it will work for yeah, I'm still not sure how it will work for Nasdaq. But the first 15 minutes of the open should be enough to tell me the price action a bit. But yeah, mainly watching BNGO and Chek. A couple of days ago, Chek was trading below $1, and then 2 days ago, it basically went parabolic. Let's check. Was there a panic? Let's see. This right here could be considered a panic, but it's actually quite fast, really. And this right here could it be considered a panic? Straight down, big one too. Went from 93 to something. So once it broke a VWAP, so you can see here, Once it broke VWAP, it just started panicking. And it held. It held the pre-market support. It was something that I was watching yesterday too. It was one of the morning panic that I witnessed. I didn't buy it. Why? Because I was focused on COUV and I kept constantly wasn't getting fills on that OTC. Yeah, and they're like in the 39s as well as the 40s. So trying to catch the bottom, but fail. But this move, you don't even have to catch the bottom. You just have to get like maybe a part of the move under the 30s or under the 40. It went to the 50s. So yeah. The best entries, ideal entries would be under the 30. Under 30. But it was also actually very fast because as I was witnessing it, it went down and then moved back up like really, really quickly. So yeah. It was a nice move. You actually enter like the 20s, you're risking like 10 cents. And it moved to like the 50s. So that is like a 1 risk reward. This move right here will be more of us getting chopped. Yeah, it'll be more of getting chopped, really. But yeah, scratch trade. And today it's going green, so it's holding for sure. So Chek and BNGO, main watch. I'm looking forward to a morning panic. ATIF, if it doesn't break 122, we could see a double top. Look like strong sellers are coming in the 120s. But yeah, can we see 120 break? People are starting to sell in the 119. So it actually dipped down to support. Yeah, it dipped down to support. And there you have it. If it doesn't break 120, it panic, you could actually still buy it by like the 108, 109, risking the 104. So this right here is consider a panic. Yeah, you're risking like 4 cents. So can enter with I can enter with 50 shares right here. So who would be say enter 50 shares at like 108, 109, risking like 1045? Because this is a tiny panic. It's not big, but I wouldn't necessarily say that it would go back up unless it make it like a held trend. If it doesn't go under VWAP or EMA, Best entry is under tens. Let's see. Am I recording? Okay, I am. Yesterday I wasn't recording, so because I didn't know that it was not recording. But right now, entry is 110, risking 50 shares, so that's $3 a share risk. It would be good if it actually could come back to like the 120, but the goal is basically gonna sell like 119. Why? Because 120 is a whole number. It could go lower. The big panic is when it's actually break $1. But if it make like a lower high, just cut your losses. If going with a 10-6 method, cutting right now because it wasn't bouncing. You can always come back later, like enter lower. Cutting your losses quickly because it wasn't bouncing, so can always re-enter. Risk $2 every trade. I should also put a daily limit of loss. So daily risk $10. So that means that I can lose like 5 times. Looking like it's forming at 107, so enter at 109, 50 shares. Risk in 107. That's like $1 share loss. Add another 50 shares in 109 just to make it $2 risk. Again, this is a higher low, so risking like 107. It's pre-markets. It's tough. Okay, good. Bids are coming at 109. So 114. Can I say you 115? Ooh, ass is stacking 114. Take a bit off at 113. So left with 50 shares. Re-entry 113. So re-added the 50 shares at 113. Average is 111. So risking 109. Don't like the 112. Getting out. So yeah. So basically sold 150 shares. Let me check. So 50 shares of 1.13 plus 1.11. So basically around 1.112. So about 112. So 100 times 109. Make like $3 and lost 50 cents. So 250. Not a good risk reward there. It would have been nice if you could actually break one four chain and then move back up there, but right now it's no trade. Check. So we had 28 minutes till the open. BNGO. Forming a triangle. So you can see a breakout trade there. Check. Okay, CY. CYDY. Yeah, CYDY is also a morning panic I'm looking forward to. Not gonna trade it. ABML. Yesterday I traded here. Oh, this is 5-minute chart. So that's why. So ABML yesterday I traded. My entry was here. Was like 93, 9. So basically about 94. I bought it on this green candle here. And it moved and made a higher low at 95. And it dropped back down and I took my losses at like 93.5. It's a good thing that I took my losses because it was a scratch trade. It it went lower. Yeah, it went lower. If I actually become a spec holder and held it all the way, it came back up, but Hoshi said that it wouldn't go like lower than the 7. So yeah, ABML, it's not there yet. In this market, nothing died. ATF, yeah, earlier I was trading on the 5-minute charge without even noticing it. Wow. But yeah, that's why it was so slow. So intro was like 109, risking like 106, 107. So risking 2 cents and exit like 113. So that's a 1 risk reward. Potentially it could go, the potentials was that it could go like up here. But right now it's a double bottom, so it's not it's not the pattern I'm looking for. I'm looking forward to like a morning panic like this. Just straight red. This was a bit choppy, but you can make something out of it. Same with this. This move here was nice, but maybe it could have gotten out like here. But the volume is so small. It made a nice move here. Made a very nice move. About 10%. Morning panic. Check. I'll be waiting. So basically, based on like I'm not sure whether the stock market will react to the elections in Georgia. I I'm not sure, but we could check pre-market watch list. Stock that are moving pre-market. Big volume. SNDLs is already 6. Dang, SNDL. Yeah, wheat stock is running. AIKI. Oh, this is a nice panic. Looking forward to 74. 76. My risk would be 76. If it actually breaks 76, okay, look like it's holding 76. I'll be entering like 77 here, risking 76 with 100 shares. So entering about like 77, 78, risking like 76 here. Gonna be a higher low. This is like a panic, so yeah, it's consolidating. But if 76 break, we can see a bigger panic. Just not moving. I'm getting out. Okay, now it's 77.50. Let it break out the 80 first. Let it break this zone. 78. Okay, entry at 78.8. So entry was at the top, really. Risk is 76. 76.46. The goal is let's see a test like 80 to like 82, the VWAP area. If it failed to move higher than VWAP, we could see a head and shoulders on here. But yeah, entry was a 77, 78.86. So right now it's getting good. It's higher than my entry. So yeah, it's getting good. Risk is 76. Hmm. Looks like there's some resistance in the 80. Bit's still strong, so first sign of red. Bit's at 78, still strong there. 78 get taken out. I'll just get out. Cutting my losses. This is like sideways consolidation right now. Seventeen minutes of the open. Still moving, so will a mid or lower high? It would be nice if I actually come pick it up and ramp it to 81, 81, 82. Yeah, I'm getting out at 79. Yes. So two losses on there. ISR. Ooh, ISR is moving back up. Nice. This is a crazy chop. But yeah, nice tiny panic. AKI. Ooh, right here's a nice panic. All green. But it didn't bounce really well. Entry will be here. Yeah, this the 125 could be an entry. Risking the low here. It is a bit choppy, but 125 could be an entry. 125 to 126, risking the low here. And they're like, so entry with like 60 shares at 126. Goal is basically just to get like to the 31 or possibly a breakout of 31. It'd be nice if you could actually hit like 132 or higher. But if it failed to break out like 127.992, just get out. But yeah. Yeah, NASDAQ is a bit choppy. But just gotta get used to it. So entry was 126, risking like 123. Strong bid, strong asking 127. If it stay consolidating and break out, we could see a big move. But the goal is basically a breakout to 130. Breakout of VWAP. If it doesn't break out VWAP, just cutting losses. 10 minutes till the open. The risk is 123. Okay, 126 beginning. Okay, 126 weakening. Now it's looking at 127. But this consolidation sucks. And not yet. There's still 123. Hmm. Looking at 122 is weakening. It hit 123 already, so I'm getting out on 123. Took my losses. Took my losses on 123. Wasn't moving. Nice. Okay, this is a panic. Enter here risking 65. Enter 70 risking 65. Five minutes till the open. Enter 170 risking 65. This is looking good. The consolidation is all green, so that is something. Just such a break 172. 2 minutes to the open. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Okay, I'm looking like 73 is coming. Anticipating in 73, okay. About 74. Okay, the ass is weakening. Hmm. Looking like they might be hitting solos at 171. But 1 minute still the open. So the risk is still 165. So if at the open doesn't like automatically spike up, just sell. Just cutting your losses. Okay, 73. 16 seconds. Entry was 170, risk 165. And it's still open. 74, can I see 75? 75, can I see 76, 77? Okay, and 78, 79, can I see 8, 180, 180. 180. I'm selling 178. Taking my losses there. Cutting 178. Let's see, 180 break. Enter 185. Risking 180. $190, 91, 92, 93. Look like we might get a halt here. 93. Yep, we got a halt. Main watch. AKI, here's the panic. $133. Okay. Solar, so 135, 139. Oof. 132. Oh well, too late. Wasn't quick enough. Check. I did say that was one of my wing watch. Yes, check. 166. Why the heck am I with again? Oh, I hate this. Cancel. What is going on here? This is what I hate about this. This is the heck is. There's no order. This game was 166. I'm hating this. Something weird is going on here. I'm hating this. What the fuck is going on here? The heck is going on here? Yeah. Overall, I just lost like $8 on the heck. Oh well. Ain't something I can control. Nice panic. Nice panic. Ah, hate TD mirror trade for this. January 1st. No, 6. Yeah. No more trades. That's my order just got fucked. This sucks. This sucks. Back to paper trade. Check. Fail morning panic. Bought too early. And TD and mirror trade. Weird execution. Nice. Nice morning panic. Nice morning panic. Fail morning panic bounce. Yeah, this is just weird. This one moving to E Trade. But Still gotta get like HI Pro. I'll just use TMHR for scanning. Now this is a panic. Let it break 150. Can open up quite nicely in the 199. Failed to break 2. This is why you should take profits. But yeah. Nice morning panic bounce. Look like it's coming back up. But yeah, nice entry would be 55. Risking 152. So when I entered my order was 79, 169. My risk was basically the low here, 167. That's basically it. That was my risk. And the entry at 169, like right here, my entry there was yeah, just weird execution. The platform was weird. It confuses me. But yeah. Well, what could I do to better this? Wait for the turn. Yeah. Wait for the turn. There you have it. What I could do to better this? Wait for the turn. Yeah. But oh well, took my losses. Live to try another day. As I said, um, when I panic, okay, let's see. No entry here. GHSI was a nice panic bounce. Went all the way to 87. Wow. How much did I lose on the mirror trade? 838 on this trade. I lost like $8.38 on here. Oh well. So basically what happened was I caught a falling knife. That's basically what happened. Caught a falling knife. Pretty much it. I caught a falling knife. However, this is a pretty nice morning panic bounce. So what happened was I I traded Chek. Wanted only one order of 50 shares. Got two orders out. At like 167 average. Sold 159.55. Basically, I caught a falling knife. Caught a falling knife and cut myself. That's basically what happened. I caught a falling knife and cut myself. So just need to be. What I need to do is be more patient with my entry. But yeah, again, I did not like how. I think what messed me up was that two order and that two imaginary order. I tried to cancel. It just doesn't disappear and it messed up my whole flow. What it was, and it said that there was no order. So just weird. The platform was being very weird there. This wasn't the first time that happened to me. But yeah, yeah. I think just I'm not in the mood now, so but let's just watch Chek play out. So yeah, nice breakouts. Yeah, my trade here was just terrible. It's it's a terrible trade today. But yeah, nice move up. Nice morning panic bounce from Chek. So this is like a 20%, uh, 20 to 30% bounce, really. Nice. Let's say the high was 190, divided by 152 from the low. That's a 25% bounce. Nice. Very nice. And that right there is a such a get out. So overall, I caught a falling knife. Not a lot of buying power today though. Might be better tomorrow, or yeah, might be better tomorrow. That's when my funds are settled and I could maybe qualify for E-Trade Pro. Nice move here. Nice move. Let's see. Now that I've come down a bit, yeah, overall need more patience. And one thing for sure, if it panic, what I should do is not buy when it's like there's resistance like right above it, close, not buy like when there's resistance right above it. So like right here, entry down here would be good. Why? Because VWAP resistance up here. So the resistance like 50 cents above the low. So that is something. 15 to 20 cents above. So yeah. So resistance is just right above and it's a winning panic. So once support break, it's gonna panic further. And then 150 held because 150 was psychological support there. If it break, it could go even lower. But yeah, what I should do is not jumping right away. Give it a bit more time. Because if it's gonna bounce, it should bounce convincingly. Pretty much it. If if it's gonna bounce, it should bounce convincingly. But yeah, not a great start to this new plan of $2 risk. Not a great start. Not a great start. Today was a terrible trade here. Not trading according to plan at all. Let's see. Ooh, nice. It went even higher. GHSI. It'll be something to watch for tomorrow. If it, Dang, that's a nice panic. Supports 88. The low 90s is where the entry is where the good entry is. Wait for it to drop more. 92. Entry here. 100 shares. Entry 94. Risky 92. Getting on. Mm, can it break 65? If it can break 65, okay, I'm getting out. Sit 96. Hey, it went higher. Oh well. Nice. Testing $1 shares. Yeah, getting out 99. And you actually still in. Just get out 99. We'll re we'll re-enter if $1 break. Nice tiny bounce. Can you make a higher low here? If not, it can go lower. Bigger falling knife. B and Jill. Nice. Nice combat. Nice combat. Check. Okay. So it's 9:30. ABML. Nice panic here. Nice bounce. Nice higher lows. Higher bounce. Nice 10 cents a share. CYDY. Was looking forward to the panic. Very nice move. Okay, CY. Choppy. ISR. It's getting choppy right now. Making a downtrend. Looking forward to the break of the downtrend. Maybe he'll eventually find a bottom. GHSI. Nice move. Check. Terrible trade for me. But it's a falling knife. When you catch a falling knife, paper cuts. You're gonna get cuts, but yeah. Why it's a terrible trades? It didn't go according to plan. Bigger losses than I would have wanted. So yeah, that's why it's a terrible trade for me. Overall, yeah. So I'm getting out. No, no more trades for me today. So with that, I'm gonna end